If you're into video editing, hi-fi music listening, gaming day and night, or just binge watching your favorite shows, you definitely need yourself a comfortable, solid, good sounding set of headphones. And guess what? We've got our hands on the Superlux HD-660 Pros, and they have been making waves in the audio scene for their jaw-dropping affordability and downright impressive performance, hitting number 9 on Thomann. So stick around as we take a look into these headphones from a creative and everyday perspective. We'll be talking about everything from their looks, sound, comfort, and bang for your buck. Keeping your wallet safe is one of our priorities here. Let's kick things off with a sneak peek at the Superlux HD-660 Pro's design. It's sleek and straightforward, nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. These headphones are built to last, mixing sturdy plastic and metal bits to keep them durable and feather-light. Plus, the adjustable headband guarantees a snug fit, making marathon gaming or editing sessions a walk in the park. And those cushy ear cups? Oh boy, they're like a cozy hug for your ears. Keeping out all of those external distractions, you will still hear the fire alarm though, speaking from personal experience. Now, here's the twist. You've got two flavors to choose from. One with an impedance of 32 ohms and the other cranks it up to 150 ohms. So if you're planning to plug in these bad boys directly to your computer, go with the 32 ohms. If you got a nice preamp, you know it, get the 150 ohms. By the way, if you're enjoying the review, do us a solid and hit the like and subscribe button, or who knows, your headphones might have a hit just after the warranty ends. Your call. Let's crank up the volume and the most crucial aspect, the sound quality. The Superlux HD-660 Pro headphones are all about the clear and simple audio. They've got an impressively wide frequency range that is not compromising on either lows, mids, or highs. Partner them up with a top-notch audio source and you're in for a sonic treat. Just a heads up though, they don't come with any active noise cancelling or Bluetooth or anything of the sort. These are what I call dumb headphones. Wired, no fancy bells and whistles, just pure sound. Perfect for video editors and beginner sound designers and such. That also means they're not really that bass heavy, so they are less fun, but that is for the greater good from my point of view. How about comfort? You know how vital it is, especially when you're in for the long haul. Well, the Superlux HD-660 Pro headphones have got your back, or rather your head, with plush padding on the headband and ear cups, so you'll hardly notice they're there. They're relatively lightweight too, so no worries about fatigue, even during long sessions. Plus, you can adjust them to fit just right, no matter how dumbo your ears are. Trust me, I've got an experience in that too. But the real reason why you're looking at these headphones is the price. So how good is it for the price? The Superlux HD-660 Pro headphones don't just sound good, they're budget-friendly champions. You're getting audio quality that could easily rub shoulders with pricier models without making a dent in your wallet. The build quality and comfort only sweetens the deal, making these headphones a steal for both audiophiles and pros on a budget. Hi, me from the future again. Just wanted to say that there's a website called DIYaudioheaven.wordpress.com that I will link in the description, which does have a more technical review of these headphones. They have frequency response ranges and stuff like that. They have quite detailed tests that I do highly recommend checking out. Fortunately, I do not have any kind of equipment that can test such things. I can only rely on my own ears, and they're not the most reliable. I've tested and used many headphones through the years, and I can totally say that they're good headphones. But if you would like more information, I highly recommend checking them out, and you should really do that with anything. If you want to buy anything, just check more reviewers. More than one. To wrap it all up, the Superlux HD-660 Pro headphones might not have all of the bells and whistles, but they're built solid and they have a top-notch sound and comfort. They stand tall in their price range. These headphones are the ticket to high-fidelity audio without burning a hole in your pocket. So if you're in the market for a killer deal, you might want to give those boys a serious look. That's all for today, folks. Hope you had a blast and learned a thing or two. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned.